So here, as you can see, I'm using a height of 100 VH on this container, but still I'm getting a vertical scroll bar. So let's see why it might be happening. If I expand this main container, inside I can see a div. If you check the div, it has a margin top of 64 pixels. Now even though the container div has a height or 100 VH, this margin top is causing the vertical scroll bar. If I uncheck the margin top 64 pixel, you can see the vertical scroll bar goes away. So what can you do from the CSS? Instead of assigning a 100 VH height, you can calculate the height and subtract the 64 pixels from it. So height will be 100 VH minus 64 pixels. That should get rid of the vertical scroll bar. So I hope you find this video useful. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.